In this video, we're going to check out my YT Evolution review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my YT Evolution review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and also coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So the first thing I need you to do is go ahead and look in the video description and click on that first link. It's going to take you to my bonus page here. Once you're on my bonus page, go ahead and scroll down a bit till you see Get YT Evolution Now button. Go ahead and click that. There's a few buttons on the page. You can just scroll and find them and click on those. And that's going to lock in your bonuses for this particular product in the back end of Warrior Plus where this product is being launched on. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to find your bonuses inside of Warrior Plus as well. Before we begin with this review on YT Evolution, I just wanted to say I finally got to clean my truck. So now it's clean. So my wife got it all muddy, right? She does this jockey lot thing on the weekends. It's over here in Lafayette, Louisiana, right? It's called the Jockey Lot. And it's kind of a flea market where you sell various things over there. So it's a fun little thing to do on the weekends. But because it stays muddy over there when it rains a lot. And yeah, so I finally got to clean it. And now it's all cleaned up. So you want to see it? Okay, go ahead and check out this video right quick. So there you go, all cleaned up, right? I should have took a before picture so you could see before and after, but I didn't think about it. But anyways, yeah, that's my truck. And the reason I bought that truck, it's a Ford F-150 Lariat. And I seen the front grille when it was for sale from the road, and I thought it was a Lincoln truck because I like the way they look, but they look just like the Ford F-150s. So I went and I said, well, it's not a Lincoln, but it's a Ford. I love Fords. I've always had a Mustang and all this good stuff. So yeah, I bought the truck for that grill, but it was a really nice truck, well taken care of. Everything was like brand new inside. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's my truck. So let's go ahead and get into this review now. So this one's going to be a little bit different, okay? Usually, like I said, I take you into the members area, show you around. But in this case, it's software. It's actually a theme that you're going to download to WordPress. And it also comes with plugins, right? So on this video, if you go ahead and check out on my bonus page again right quick, under my video, you'll see if you scroll down to the bottom right here, you can watch a demo, okay? So this product's created by Chris Darenberg, okay? He's the creator of YT Evolution. So in this demo video, it's 5 minutes and 3 seconds long. He's gonna show you everything about the product, okay? How it works, what it does, and all of that cool stuff. So make sure you check out that demo. All right, so we're on the YT Evolution sales page here, and it reads world's first software for multiple passive income streams from other people's videos and free traffic. Quickly monetize single or multiple videos for any YouTube playlist or channel with 100% free traffic, no experience needed. So go ahead and check out the VSL here. He's going to explain everything about the software, how it all works, the theme, and all of that good stuff, and what it can do for you, okay? It's beginner friendly, set and forget simple, unique, and 100% legal. Okay, before you click the yellow button here to check out, remember to go to my bonus page using the link in the description and clicking on any one of those red buttons That way you can lock in my bonuses inside of Warrior Plus in the back end. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. So it's the 3-step system, right? Activate the website, pick the videos you want to use from the niches, and monetize your site. It's going to show you how to do all of that in there. It has training and all kind of stuff. Okay, so let's take a look basically on how this works. So you could turn someone's entire YouTube channel into your own monetized authority technology vlog right here. So that's how that would work. You could do a fitness video playlist, turn it into your own passive income stay fit blog, or you could use your own YouTube channel as well and turn it into your own affiliate income generating site. And you can also do this for clients because you're going to be getting the commercial license as well whenever you pick this up today. So you can turn your clients into their own local traffic ranking website. So anyone can do this, effortlessly monetize any YouTube video made by you or by others through your website. It says you can get free Google traffic in under 3 days. So as you can see here, okay, so I'm not going to read everything on this page, guys. Go ahead and read everything. Make sure you understand everything. So you're getting the theme for WordPress and you're going to be getting a plugin. We're going to go over each thing in a minute here. Okay, so I want to read this one more thing because I think this is important as well. Who can benefit most from YT Evolution? So affiliate marketers it's good for, beginners, local marketers, video marketers, social media marketers, freelancers, e-com marketers, instructors and coaches, and how-to YouTubers. So pretty good stuff here. Okay, so that's all I'm going to read on the sales page, guys. If you have any questions, you can scroll down to the bottom right here, all the way on the bottom, and you got the frequently asked questions right here, okay? And also you get a 30-day money-back guarantee right here. Okay, so that's about it for the sales page. Let's go ahead and check out the upsells for this product. Okay, so for the front end, guys, you're getting the YT Evolution is for $97. Now you might say, wait, all the other products you've been promoting was like 13 bucks. Why is this one so high? Well, you get what you pay for, guys. This is everything that's included in this product, okay? YT Evolution WordPress theme, YT Evolution WordPress plugin, content curator plugin, 10 training videos, bonuses, unlimited license, and a commercial license. So you're getting a lot for the value here, okay? So it's well worth that price, all right? So you're getting unlimited license and commercial license. So that means you're going to be able to do this for clients and customers as well, okay? So, I mean, you can go and check out WordPress themes that are well over $100 online already, right? And if you hire someone to create a theme for you, it's going to cost up to $500 to $1,000. So this is a very damn good deal, guys. 97 bucks is nothing compared to all the value you're getting here. Okay, so there's only one upsell here, guys. It's called Evo Cloaker. It's a WordPress plugin. Okay, you can either pay $97 a year for this, or you could pay a one-time $197 lifetime fee. Okay, and you can own it for life. I would go with the $197 lifetime fee. If I were you, it's a better deal than paying $97 a year, right? So this includes the WordPress plugin plus training. So you've never seen anything like this plugin. It's a premium plugin that allows you to filter all the traffic to your website to one particular offer or multiple offers or any URL. Okay, so running from a database of 70 million plus IPs, you can even drive traffic directly to affiliate offers from paid sources for affiliate offers, rank and rent sites, CPA offers, or anything you want. So it's really awesome plugin, guys, and it's going to add additional value to that front end of YT Evolution for $97. Okay, so what I recommend here is to pay the $197 one time for the lifetime access. It makes more sense, right? So I used to own some software like this that did pretty much the same thing, but it didn't add content and spin the content. So just that addition right there makes this one way more effective. And I'm going to be picking this up myself. I haven't picked it up yet because I'm doing all these review videos right now for new products coming out left and right. But I will pick this up and I will start using it. I can't say enough about this product, guys. It's brilliant, okay? I mean, just imagine if you wanted to do this yourself, how long it would take. So you have to create a website, right? You have to go find videos on YouTube of a certain niche. You have to bring that in, put in the iframes, do all of this stuff, write some content for it. That could take literally forever just to have one website up. This thing does everything for you. All you do is pick the niche, find a channel you want, it imports everything for you, puts in the content, and spins it as well. You can't get any easier than that, guys, and start making some affiliate commissions, okay? Not to mention, you're getting the unlimited license and the commercial license, guys. So that means you can sell this to clients and customers, which means you're getting 2 ways to get paid, right? You can do this for yourself, doing affiliate marketing, or you could sell this to clients and customers and get paid that way as well. So really cool system, guys. So I can't recommend this product enough. It's really cool. Get the upsell plugin if you want to. That's going to even enhance this product. So it's really cool stuff right here. All right, so that's about it for the upsells. Let's check out my bonus page now. Okay, again, guys, just scroll down under the timer here. You're going to see Get YT Evolution. Click any one of these reds, but just remember, guys, check out the timer. Make sure you have time left on here and click on any one of these Get YT Evolution Now buttons to lock in my bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're going to get my YouTube cash. Okay, this is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. You're going to discover the right way to pitch an affiliate offer on YouTube so you can make more commissions faster. You're going to learn what to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results time and time again. You're going to discover the perfect script for your YouTube review videos for creating the best profits, kind of like the one you're watching now. You're going to watch over my show as I show you one of the masters of this space and how they use this method to cash in, and it has nothing to do with the make money online niche. So if you're not into that type of niche, you can see how this guy is using it in a totally different niche, and you can use that as an example for your own niche that you want to get into. Okay? Bonus number 2 is the conceptual system. So you're going to learn the secrets of making money with every content that you put up online. You're going to discover the double value ladder setup system to increase your earnings 2-fold. You're going to learn the secret I use to turn other people's buyers into my own leads. You're going to discover the exact foundation I use to funnel my buyers like flies into my sales system. And you're going to find out the secrets to making money with this automated system that I use on a daily basis, okay? So I'm going to show you in this training on a whiteboard presentation on how I set up everything in my business model, how I use affiliate marketing, how I use my own products, how I funnel everything down the line, and all that cool stuff. So it's really cool training. So bonus number 3 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. Okay, you're going to discover an easy way to put list building on steroids by using this simple spreading goodwill system. You're going to discover the 2 things that you need to do on a squeeze page to guarantee subscribers. You're going to discover this one platform you can use to help you start building your email list and get instant buyers. And you're going to learn this one trick that I show you in the training that you can gain the visitor's trust so that they want to buy from you. And bonus number 4 is my secret hacks. This is video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. You're going to discover a secret YouTube code that hardly no one knows about that stops related videos from showing. You're going to learn this one hack that instantly builds you a buyer's email list even if you're just doing affiliate marketing. You're going to discover this one tool that can instantly boost your conversions through the roof, and you can use this one thing to double your online earnings by knowing exactly what is converting and what is not. So go ahead and act now to guarantee these extra bonuses worth $268 of extra value when you order through my link today. Again, make sure this countdown timer is still counting down and go ahead and click any one of these Get YT Evolution Now buttons. Okay, so now let me show you how to find your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. So if you scroll down a little bit more on the bonus page here, you're going to see how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. In this case, this product is launched on Warrior Plus. So if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead to warriorplus.com, create one now. Then after you make your purchase, go ahead and log into your Warrior Plus account, click on the little drop down tab and choose Purchase History. You're going to look for YT Evolution here in the link on the second step. Click that link. It's going to take you to the third step where you can access your purchase, and click the blue button where you can access my affiliate bonuses. So that's as easy as it gets, guys, and that's how you find your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. So go ahead and check out the free training in the description, guys. I also have some advanced training in there in a webinar if you want to check that out. And if you think my bonus pages are looking cool to you and you want one just like it, go ahead and look for the link for Commission Gorilla. It's a bonus page builder. And if you pick that up using my link in the description, I'm going to go ahead and send you my code where you could just plug it into Commission Gorilla and use my template. Okay, you're going to have to add your own bonuses in there, but you're going to have a cool looking template, all right? And I'll email you that. So go ahead and email me your receipt when you pick that up, and I'll send you that code. So that's going to wrap up my YT Evolution review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. And guys, happy marketing.